I got a writer in here who's got a pitch I think you ought to hear. I think it's fact.
Everything you've ever wanted to know about getting away with murder and getting on in the movie business. Robert Altman presents Tim Robbins as the player.
Shouldn't you talk to somebody about this?
What?
These postcards, you've gotten 5 in 2 weeks.
7, actually.
Giffen, why don't you just talk to studio security?
Now, you're acting like someone who's guilty. You're not guilty. Are you?
The Player, Friday at 10:20 on BBC2.
And before we switch out the lights here on BBC2, there's time to check on what's happening outdoors with Rob McElwee.
Hello. Some of the bets will have worked, of course, because it was a white Christmas in the extreme in Scotland. Aberdeen, since they recorded things like this about 40 years ago, has never had 14 centimetres of snow, and that's at Christmas. Of course, snow did fall right the way down through Yorkshire, down through Norfolk, and just recently in Northern Ireland. There were 1 or 2 showers reported down in Birmingham, and I wouldn't be at all surprised to find that one did go across London, but probably missed London Weather Centre. That's for the bookies. So the extremes then for the day, well, it didn't actually get up to 8 degrees in Penzance apparently, though I think a more typical figure would be 2 or 3 for most of the country. Very sunny in places, Eastbourne, 7.5 hours. Scotland, of course, was nasty. I mean, this is blizzard conditions. The worst gusts about 65 miles an hour, and daytime temperature at Tulloch Bridge never more than -2 because of the amount of snow on the ground. 5 centimetres fell at low at Cannes, there's about 14 centimetres lying, as you see. Now, this is what brought the snow that's now going down the North Sea. That brought a bit of snow to Yorkshire and just recently to Norfolk. Of course, this mass is now bringing snow in towards Northern Ireland. That line of showers has been brushing Dyfed and coming down now and again over Cornwall as rain rather than snow, but the only place where it is rain rather than snow. The strong winds are, however, abating. They will be there down through the North Sea and brushing the coast of Yorkshire, but inland they're going to disappear, which is quite significant because overnight that means it'll get exceedingly cold. And I mean exceedingly cold, about -10 to -12 in Scotland. Draped around the country all the time over the next 24 hours is going to be more in the way of snow showers or sleet showers, but with lighter winds they won't penetrate so far, but the wind is changing direction a bit, so maybe a bit more inland in the east and a bit more inland in Belfast as well, or in Northern Ireland typically. 70 to 100% then chance of disruption due to snow. Not surprising, we've already seen it in northern Scotland, and with the same number of showers likely to be around, there's still a chance of it happening. But I still think gradually it's an improving situation, but it will be slow. So looking ahead then to Boxing Day, you've seen the shroud of cloud and the showers 1 or 2 getting down towards Anglesey still. Most of the country cold but dry and even sunny, and there's cold for you. 1 at best. I would think that's an exaggeration for much of Scotland. We might well see places, again, no higher than about 0, and 4 might be more near the mark, though it will be cold because the winds are light. Tonight's temperatures then, to leave you with a warning, exceedingly cold, temperatures down to -teens in Scotland. Good night.
And with that, it's definitely time to wish you a fond farewell. I hope you enjoyed the day's festivities and you still have enough energy to relish Boxing Day. Thank you for your company tonight. Please join us again for another televisual delight. And until then, on behalf of all the team here on BBC2, take it easy, enjoy the holidays, and have a peaceful night. Good night.